Hello everyone, today we are going to learn agriculture, vegetable gardening practices. Gardening practices for vegetables. Vegetables gardening practices include mulching, watering, thinning, weeding, and removing pests and diseased plants or parts of a plant. Mulching helps conserve soil moisture. Dry leaves and dry grass are common mulching materials. Plants need water for making food and transporting nutrients. Plants get water through rain by watering. Watering plants keeps them healthy. Weeds use up nutrients and water in your vegetables garden. In thinning, the weak plants growing between the required healthy plants are uprooted to allow proper growth of healthier plants. Pest causes serious damage to crops. They can be removed from the plants or sprayed with pesticides. A nursery bed. These are examples of equipment materials that we use in preparations of a nursery bed. Hoe, wheelbarrow, spade, panga, slasher, and a fork jembe. Thank you for listening. Bye.